Cmfh1042-Sv8.5 Festoon Hp for 1. High brightness and performance. Built with high efficiency LEDs and a precision optical lens design, this bulb delivers up to 160 lumens over 3 times the luminous efficiency of traditional festoon bulbs, ideal for automotive lighting upgrades requiring clear, powerful illumination. 2. Wide voltage and non-polarity design. Supports a wide range of 30 DC voltage input and features a non-polarity design, allowing installation in either direction. No need to distinguish between positive and negative terminals. Quick and user-friendly setup. 3. Excellent heat dissipation and stable output. A high-performance aluminum heatsink at the base ensures excellent thermal conductivity, maintaining stable brightness in a high temperature and high vibration environments for long-term durability. 4. Energy efficient with high output. With a power consumption of only 1.3 kW, this bulb delivers strong brightness while ensuring significant energy savings, ideal for users seeking efficient lighting solutions. 5. Wide application range. Perfect for various vehicle lighting uses. Interior lighting, roof, dome, footwell, trunk lighting, license plate, auxiliary lights, side marker lights, courtesy light. 6. Easy installation. Engineered to match the dimensions of standard festoon bulbs for direct plug-and-play replacement with no wiring modifications required. Dimensions: width 10 mm times length 42 mm. 7. Color options: 600K cool white standard, 2700K warm white cozy tone. Custom colors available: red, yellow, green, blue, etc. Note: please confirm the bulb size and compatibility before purchase. Custom versions available upon request. Contact us for inquiries.